with the 22 shell in it. Anyways, it whistles, so we're gonna put it in this little machine. See if we can get a sound out of it. Shouldn't take me a second. Load it up. Alright, I'm gonna load it so it's to the side. Instead of spinning, I'm gonna see if I can get like a streak out of it. It may actually, well, maybe not with this machine, but with the big machine, when I had those baseballs and softballs modified, I left that where I cored it was a little bit rougher, and it actually pulled the ball in that direction. I probably won't be able to tell what this is doing, but let's see if we can get a sound out of it. And 3, 2, 1, fire. Well, not really. I didn't hear anything. Kind of a swoosh, that was about it. Ooh, smack.